gukinyaniria mieke miigananu ya mawira kuri atumia kambuni kuma kaunti-ini ya Kilifi ni mathiete na mbere na guikia riitana kuri kambuni itiganite ingi nyingi na niguo gukorwo makinyitirira na kuheaga atumia mieke ya mawira kuringana na aigithia aya na aria maarikie gukorwo makiaraniria na andiki a mohoro maugite ikinya riri rirongoreirie kuhe atumia hinya oro hamwe na gukorwo makimahura njeki miturire-ini yao na makiria aria makoretwo makigunika ni atumia aria makoragwo na mawathe aingi magakiaria makauga ni makoretwo makigunika ni mitaratara neno ona hamwe gukorwo makiona uthii wa na mbere.
Healthcare proudly employs 650 people. 80% of them are women. Now the reason why, and this is all because of our chairman Rajni Vora, whose legacy was behind employing as many women as possible. 99.9% of our workforce are all young Kenyans, men or women. And the main reason and main focus on employing as much women, particularly within the Kilifi County environment, is because women, mothers, single mothers, which are a lot of them within this county, actually go home to feed the children, to pay for school fees, to take care of the homes, and to make sure that the children are excelling in life. That's the main reason why the chairman has insisted that any project now or in the near future, we're going to make sure that there's a very special category of employment that we hire in Revital Health, and that's specifically women.
They're doing clip work, so they have to look for the clean syringes and clean clips so that they can assemble the good syringes and bad syringes. There are 18 people. How do you feel working here? They feel good. They teach them how to be skillful, how to work, also to help them understand to work. They can continue working here.
We've gone around the factory and you've seen with the grant that we've received from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, we've hired a very special category of employees as well. These are hearing impaired and mute individuals, all women predominantly. And this is because we want to prove a point. If a technical industry such as Revital Healthcare can employ the women who are hearing impaired and mute, any industry in Kenya, whether it's garment, whether it's cooking oil, whether it's cement, any industry in Kenya can employ these people as well. They need opportunity.